afternoon. We are
Hi.
Good afternoon. We are
We are the
Mercado
Mercado family.
But this today is
Sunday.
November 2,
November 2, 2025.
Sunday.
bali this is the purpose is yung interview namin sa aming anak na post intrams 2025 after ilang araw?
Last Wednesday,
23, 29, 30, 31, 32.
29.
4 days after the program. Okay, any questions or what? Ikaw muna.
Kumusta ang feeling, Frank?
Masaya. Okay, masaya. Hakot lahat ng mga rewards. Tapos, ano lang, pinano ko rin yung mga batch ko. Binawian ko after yung talo nila sa modern dance. Binawian ko sila. Di lang sa batch, pati din for my family and friends. And then, para to ano lang, to carry my father's legacy because he was a intram wrestling back to his days
Something on it.
from the past. That's it.
May question ka, Francine, to your kuya?
It's all about intrams. Ano?
Paano ang pinag-prepare mo? Anong preparation mo? Kasi, actually, we are not there to guide him. Ang kasama niya, yung lola niya. Kasi, he stays with his lola from Monday to Friday. So, anong preparation mo, Frank? I-show nyo, sabihin mo kasi hindi namin alam yung pinagdaanan mo from day 1 up to the time na yung pageant na mismo.
Okay, mga preparation ko is like practicing how to walk like a model and also some sa mga binigay na questions, mga Q&As, and then yung mga preparation ng mga mga costumes ko, and then practice the process on how to walk like a model, and sipag-sipag lang yung pag-prepare ko, and having the right mindset na I believe that I will be the first place of this batch and be Mr. Intrams until next year. Thank you.
Any questions sa kuya mo about the pageant?
Just congratulations.
Sabi mo sa mga viewers mo. Reminder lang before we post this one, just watch the full telecast coverage of Frank's Mr. Intram 2025. Bali buong buong segment, mapa introduction, casual attire,
Hinati-hati lang.
yeah, sports attire, and then the main event, the awarding of the Mr. Intrams. Ayun. And my question is, bali after ilang araw na event, natapos ng event, paano nabago ang iyong mindset or your perspective na susunod, may mga competition pang darating, what siguro learnings mo through this kasi this is your first yung competitive yung competitive na program. Ano yung mga lessons na natutunan mo?
Yung lesson ko dyan is don't be nervous to everyone because you're the one who is carrying the batch you're the one who is representing the batch. Just like in other sports, leaders, you shouldn't be above others. It's about standing out through discipline, respect, and etc. Being a leader is not about being the one or being the best in everything. It's supporting and uplift of their teammates. So in terms naman, uplift the batch na we are proving na we are truly the champions, and we want to parang three-peat being a overall champion ever since grade 8. So I really show this that I am worthy of my batch, and showing that I am not shy to show who I am and who I really am. Thank you.
Any more Juan, from your mom?
Wala na. Naiya siya. Si
Oh.
Francine.
Wala.
Na-practice ito pa.
Hindi, di ba yung practice? Oh, ano talaga? Hard work.
Paano na-perform?
Deserve niyang win.
Paano na-perform?
Yun. And
Ano
kung
yun?
may tiyaga ka talaga, di ba, to win kahit anong aspects ng life, kung may tiyaga ka, ma-achieve mo yun.
Questions ko kay Mama Maru. Bali, Juan, before the pageant, ano yung mga katangian na yung nakita mo na hindi yung differences before and after the pageant, yung kanya being his self, na yung na-amaze ka, yung parang nabigla ka na nakita mo na meron pala siyang ganun katangian.
At least pinakita niya that he enjoy it, yung kung anong ginagawa niya. Yun naman lagi ang sinasabi namin, we are always here to support whatever he likes. Siya ang magmumold sa sarili. We're just here to support him. Na-develop naman niya yung personality niya. Pareho pa rin, he's still strong before and after the competition or the pageant. And hindi rin siya shy. Nag-boost mas lalo yung confidence niya, lalo na nung nanalo siya, na he proved not just to us but to other people na kaya niyang gawin yun, and karapat-rapat siyang manalo because of his hard work, dedication, and perseverance na ma-overcome yung stage fright, yung masagot niya na hindi siya na may mental block. And yun, kumbaga sabi nga ni Pia Works back, confidently beautiful with a heart.
Yun. Para sa akin naman, yung na-obserbahan ko before and after, parang meron pala itong parang before the pageant, I will give 50% ang kanyang confidence that time. Kasi parang that time kasi hindi siya yung ganun confident with everything, pero after the pageant, yung nakita niyang kompletong nag-boost yung kanyang Facebook with your help. Yung one is important is yung kanyang Facebook Facebook na marami pong bumoto sa kanya, na nagbigay ng heart and shares. Bali doon nakita ko na meron
nagsusupport.
meron siyang kwan, yung kumanda yung kanyang kwan at tumasok pa yung confidence with your help and siyempre with the family na to support financially and support financially and more spiritually. Siyempre we are praying
Praying.
for every day we are praying, we are doing rosary for Frank and for us na maging success yung kanyang pageant. Ayun. At after all, nakita ko yung 100% confident niya. Dahil sa tulong nyo at tulong din ng family na mai-boost ang kanyang confident level na 100%. Yun, wala akong nakitang kwan. Parang wala akong nakita na weakness niya that time. I'm so very very proud na nakita ko na he is kwan doing the right thing para to become a winner. Deserve niya ang kwan, ang crown na Mr. Intrams 2025.
So anong activity mo after the pageant? Like may activity ka ba? Mayroon kang yung activity or parang campaign sa school for the intrams, which is more on about sports, 'di ba? Yung mga teamwork, camaraderie, ganon.
Like after sports.
Yeah.
Like
As Mr.
Intrams, parang after my pageant, I usually do my day like exercising consistently and dribbling the ball just to practice my handles as before DCA before our DCA opening inter competition here there on Dagupan City, and then just mentally and physically prepared for competitors against other schools and fighting with my teammates, or like not fighting, like just working
Compete.
together, competing
Team
together, practice after school, working on our our game, our plans, our chemistries, and that's how my activities after my pageant, mostly on basketball activities.
Kasi po siya, active rin po siya sa basketball. He plays basketball. He's one also of the representative in their school to play against other schools in Dagupan City. Dagupan City lang.
Dagupan City.
Parang after that, pag sining nanalo sa division nila, they will represent the Division 1 kasi Division 1 sila to other divisions. They have I think 4 divisions. And after that, parang siguro national no or something, hindi ko alam, step by step naman. So yun, he's busy practicing and preparing for the basketball event.
Okay, any more one, Frank?
Francine, you have message to Kuya?
kay Kuya for winning the Mr. Intrams.
I'm still thinking.
You tell
You're
to them.
playing. You're playing.
You tell
Just
to the
gonna-
audience. What will you say to Kuya?
Congratulations.
Make it your voice louder.
Congratulations.
Kuya.
Kuya.
Kasi
Yeah,
you are
brother.
always there. Nasa taas. You are
Number
always,
one cheer po siya.
You're always receiving the award. Di ba?
But the most happiest is his grandmother.
Yeah, the
Yung-
both grandmother.
Yung lagi niyang kasama, yung mother-in-law ko, yung mother ni Francis, kasi doon siya tumitira. So, yun ang pinakamasaya na si Lola. Nainay ang tawag po niya doon. So, yun ang pinakamasaya and very, very proud of Frank's achievement.
And also, mommy.
Oh, not just sa not just sa academics, but other activities.
Involved talaga ang school.
Na hindi lang yung
Personal.
academic.
Personal.
Extracurricular activity, yun. So, hindi lang academic, extracurricular activity, sumasama rin si Frank. So, para may work and balance, kumbaga. Balance in everything para hindi ka na mag-burnout sa school, makarelax ka, yun. So, balance lang. So, active rin siya sa basketball.
Frank, questions ulit. How can you appreciate the effort ng mga ating mga Facebook friends? Anong masasabi mo?
So, family.
Family, first of all, siguro unahin mo muna sa family, friends,
Relatives.
supporters, and then yung mga preparations. Kung ba si Sir Richmond and Sir
AJ.
AJ, ano bang
What will you say to them? Hindi na meron ka naman.
I'm very thankful for them, especially my family and friends. Kayong bumoto sa akin and nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo na na panalo ako. If wala kayo, di ako mananalo. Especially with my family and friends, if nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila na they support me, they don't leave me sa parang they're very 100% supportive parents for me, not just about academics but also from other activities that I compete, that I really want to join in. And also my coaches, I am forever grateful for them for helping me how to experience and learn new things as a Mr. Intramurals. If wala sila sa akin, they can't help. If wala sila, talo ako kaya buti andun sila sa paligid ko. They guide me, they show me the tips on how to be and techniques. If di tinuro sa akin ng mga yan, baka talo ako. Kaya buti naman and thankfully na they taught me that
And guided
through my process and improving. Not just for events but also for myself. I also improve myself, like my posture is kinda great now, and rather than before it's kinda blank, and it really changed my life as a human person, and they're my moral parents and very supportive for me. And also my Facebook friends who helped me getting the award of People's Choice. I really appreciate your effort and your likes and hearts. I couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you.
Doon siguro yung nag-boost yung boost yung confidence mo kasi 100% support
Yes.
from the outside world.
Yes.
Oo. Kahit na even though your grade 10 grade 10 friends or grade 10 student are not very very show before that. Parang may other than outside world, mas nagkuhan na bumaha ng support
Yeah.
from the outside world. Kita sa Facebook and Facebook account na 100% support from the surround family, friends, and relatives from abroad. Thank you for your support. Any additional?
Thank you guys. I don't care about my 10 grade students even though they don't want to support me. As long as I have my supportive family and friends, especially my relatives, thank you for supporting me. I couldn't do it without you guys, so thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
We
Thank you po sa inyo. Like and subscribe to Mercado
USR and
Like-
Journey.
See you guys.
Bye.